Ask 10 people how much of their money should be in crypto, and you'll get 10 different numbers, most of them guesses. The right amount isn't a feeling, it's a decision based on how much risk you can actually afford to take. Start with your risk capacity, not your risk appetite. Risk capacity is how much you could lose without it changing your life. That's the ceiling, no exceptions. A few things shape that number: how stable your income is, whether you've already got an emergency fund in place, how much debt you're carrying, and how many years you have before you'd actually need the money. Inside that ceiling, your risk tolerance decides how close to it you actually go. Someone early in their career with steady income can typically sit closer to that ceiling than someone close to retirement. For scale, Morgan Stanley's wealth management arm has suggested capping crypto at somewhere between 2 and 4% of a client's total portfolio, with the higher end reserved for more risk-tolerant investors. That's not a rule for you personally. It's a data point on how conservative even a bullish institution's ceiling tends to be. A common approach for beginners is to keep crypto as a clearly defined slice of a diversified portfolio, not the whole thing, and to size it in writing before emotions get involved. The reason writing it down matters: once prices start moving, the instinct to abandon the plan gets a lot stronger than it feels right now. A number decided in advance is harder to talk yourself out of than one you're making up in the moment. Think of it like a seatbelt setting. You don't decide how tight to make it in the middle of a crash. You set it before you ever start driving. That doesn't mean the number is frozen forever. Income changes, timelines shorten, circumstances shift, and revisiting it deliberately is part of the process too. What you're avoiding isn't revisiting the number. It's a banking change in the middle of a swing because the market spooked you. Getting this number right matters more than picking the perfect coin. We break down a practical framework for sizing your crypto allocation in the description below.